What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of More Seasoning. I'm your host, Farnum, and today we have got our second episode of the Simple Seasoning series. A couple exciting things. The first one being, we got a new camera angle. And Simple Seasoning, we're doing basic stuff. I want you guys to be able to see everything up close and personal. And what are we doing today? The highly requested homemade ranch dressing recipe, plus a couple variations for you guys. I promise it's better than anything you can get in the store, and it is incredibly easy. Without any further ado, let's get into the ingredients. So the ingredients you're gonna need are mayo, sour cream, buttermilk, fresh chives, green onion, fresh garlic, dry parsley, dry dillweed, onion powder, garlic powder, minced onions, salt and pepper, optional Frank's Red Hot sauce, and optional Chipotle peppers and adobo sauce. Now, before we put this thing together, there's one more ingredient I left out, and it's probably the most important, and that is patience. I know it sounds weird, but you have to have patience when you make ranch at home, and there's a reason why, and that is these guys. Mostly the garlic and the onion powder, because what this is just dehydrated, concentrated onion and garlic, and we have to give it a chance to release all those flavors back into the dressing. If we made ranch with all fresh ingredients, it would taste nothing remotely close to the ranch that we all know and love, because, well, they use this stuff in the ranch we all know and love. So it's gonna take some patience, give it a few hours in the fridge, and I promise it will taste incredible. All right, so we're gonna make a decent sized batch of ranch. You can do this as well, just because I'm gonna split it into a couple different portions in order to make the buffalo and the chipotle ranch. So we're gonna start with 1 cup of mayo, 1 cup of sour cream, and 2 tablespoons of buttermilk. And now we whisk. Now, if you like a little more thinner ranch, of course, you can add a little bit more buttermilk or regular milk to this, but I like it a little bit thicker on my salads and to dip veggies in, so that's where I'm at. Now we're gonna finally chop our fresh ingredients. We're gonna start with our fresh chives. Add that to our mixture. Now we're gonna finally chop 1 sprig of green onion. Give that green onion a press just to release those oils.
So sexy when you chop.
Then we're gonna grate in 1 piece of garlic. All right, now we're gonna mix our fresh ingredients. Now I know at this point it's not really looking like ranch, but trust me, when we add those dry ingredients, it's gonna look all too familiar. Okay, we're gonna add a teaspoon of dried dillweed, a teaspoon of dried parsley, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of dried minced onions, a generous amount of finely cracked black pepper, and the tiniest pinch of salt. And now we whisk. Now this is starting to look like the ranch that we all know and love. Obviously it smells just like it, but remember, all these dry ingredients are not gonna release their flavors until they're rehydrated for a few hours in the fridge. So at this point, all we're gonna do is put some saran wrap on this puppy and throw it in the fridge. So I prepared this ranch about 4 hours ago. If you don't want the Chipotle or the buffalo one, it's ready to go. It's good to eat, but I am gonna show you guys how to make each. Now we're gonna make the buffalo. So basically, you're just gonna do this to taste. If you like really spicy, more buffalo stuff, add more buffalo to it. If you like a little hint, add a little hint, taste as you go. So I'm gonna start with about a tablespoon. Let's do a taste test. Could use a little more. Taste test once again. Oh, that's fire. And the last thing we're gonna make is our Chipotle ranch. We're gonna take 1 Chipotle pepper out of here. And again, we're gonna do this to taste. We're gonna toss this little smoky on the cutting board, and we're gonna finely chop this. And then where a lot of the flavor comes from is the adobo sauce. So I'm gonna add about half a teaspoon of the adobo sauce and taste as we go. When I tell you, that's all you gotta do for an amazing Chipotle ranch and buffalo ranch, that's it. You just need a little bit of patience and a few ingredients. I'm gonna say no more. We're getting right into the taste test. Let's go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's the moment you've all been waiting for. We're about to do the taste test for our buttermilk ranch, our buffalo ranch, and our Chipotle ranch. Bringing back 2 of our regulars on the show.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See?
Oh.
Can I eat this? Sorry. Can I
Wow, way to be in the moment. So let's hit that buttermilk. In 3, 2, 1. I mean, that's fire ranch. Restaurant quality, am I right?
Oh yeah, that's clean.
Mm-hmm.
That's clean for real. I like that.
Oh, it's a 5. Buttermilk is always fire.
Nice and tangy. I'll give it a
Yeah.
4.5, 4.5.
Better than something you get at the store?
Absolutely. Yeah, like, you know, what's that shit? That Hidden Valley. Yeah. This is better than that.
Fire.
You say like that on a different level.
Dip that Chipotle. It's that flavor, bro.
Okay. I like that one.
Right? A little smokiness to it, right?
Yeah.
It does have some smoke. That's what it is. I'm double dipping. I don't give a honestly.
None of y'all got an STD, right?
4.
4?
5.
5? I'm going to 5 on that. Now we gotta hit that buffalo.
That's it. That's it.
That's a 1.
That's number 1.
That's a 1.
This is literally like the perfect mix between both of these.
Because that's normal. That's like a little spicy, but that's right in the middle. Smooth. I like it.
Whoa.
Fire.
The buffalo ranch though, crazy.
Yo, that buffalo ranch, bro. Ladies and gentlemen, and there you have it, our 3 ranch recipes that you can make at home, guaranteed to be better than anything you can buy in the store. This is A1 restaurant quality. Please, if you enjoyed this video, scroll down, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment below on which ranch you think you would like the most. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. My name is Farnum. This is another episode of More Seasoning, the Simple Seasoning series. I'll see y'all next time. Let's go.